Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. This channel fully focused on the biostatistics, data analysis and data visualization related to the video post. If you like the channel, please click the subscription button. Okay, let's go to the video. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a bubble scatter plot in add-on tool for the XLSTAT in Excel software. This is for the data set for the creating the bubble scatter plot. Okay, the scatter plot used for the three variable. So the first variable for the fish length, then second one variable for the fish width, third one variable for the fish weight. So this data used for the creating the bubble chart in the Excel stat software. So the go to the Excel software, the add-on tool for the Excel stat. So the go to the visualization data options and click the scatter plot. So the open the new tab for the scatter plot options. So the first one for the general. So the first one variable added to the x column. The x column added to x's added to the fish length. So the choose the option and select for the fish length data. Okay, then y-axis is column. Then second one variable selected column. So choose for the fish width. Select the fish width data. Okay, the third one for the eject column. So the this is the data variable for the third variable. Choose for the fish weight. So the select the checkbox for the eject column and select for the data fish weight. Okay, now the use for the bubble options. So select for the checkbox. This is helpful for the creating the bubble chart in the Excel stat software. So the select for the sheet and the checkbox selected for the variable labels. So the next one for the options menu. The options menu is selected for the frequencies and checkbox for the only if higher than 1. So then click for the OK button. Okay, the Excel start the data selection option. The selection name and row and column. This is our data set. Like if you confirm this data, continue button, click the continue button. Then open the new sheet for the creating the scatter plot, bubble scatter plot. So the now the customized for the bubble chart in Excel stat software. So the select for the bubble, change to the bubble, how to change the bubble colors. So the select the bubble and right click and go to the format data series option. Okay, open the tab for the format data series option and go to the fill and line options and the fill color option choose. So the select for the options. Okay, select for the orange color. Okay, if you any other color change to the pattern and grand fill also the any other color. So I'll select it for the solid color only. So that select for the orange color. Then border also the automatic in the white color of the outer border. If you want to change to the border the same color for the fill color. So the select for the orange. Okay, then width for 75. If you want to increase the width, change to 1.5. Okay, the end of the sharpness. Okay, the next one for the customized for the x value and y value. So the select for the x value, then go to the Excel home menu and change to the font for the time Roman and font size for the 12. Okay, then color for black. The same for the x's title. So font time Roman and size 12. Then also the select for the y-axis column and fish width for the y-axis value. Okay, they edit the title. Bubble scatter plot. Bubble scatter plot. Select the title and home menu. Change to the font and size 14. Okay, now the created for the plain frame in the bubble scatter plot chart. So the select the graph and choose for the format plot area. Then go to the border. The border is selected for the solid color. So the solid color change to the black. Then border width change to the 1.5. Okay, now the outer of the graph border selected options. Then the fill color also the white color background. Then border is a no lines. Okay, then border is a no lines. Then graph border only the plain frame created. So the select for the xs value in the bold. Then xs and y axis value change to the bold option. Okay. This is for the x's value I take to the fish length and y-axis take to the fish width. So the third one variable for the using additional graphical elements such as now used for the bubble chart in the third variable for used in the bubble size and the color. The bubble size only used for the difference in the color in the third variable. So the this is for the highest the positive correlated in the big bubble and the lowest correlated in the positive correlated for the small bubbles. So the splitter for the different area in the bubbles the data variables. So the if you any doubt on this video please leave me the comments in the comment box. And if you like this video and click to our channel subscription and support to me join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video. And the try to practice for this template. The template upload to our telegram channel. The telegram channel link mentioned to the video description box. Okay, thank you.